Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to create a marketing business website on Wix.com. So Wix.com is a website builder platform that helps businesses and individuals to create and manage their websites. And to create a website, first step is creating an account on Wix.com. The second step is to head to create new site and start creating your website by answering the questions given by Wix. Marketing business. We have marketing agency, consultant firm, communication agency, website coming soon, portfolio, and others. Convention, music, a market. You can be a marketing agency. Click on next and Wix will generate few steps for you to follow in order to get your website ahead and to start working. First thing to do is to put your name, the business name, and we have what's your business address. You put where your business is located. Next, we have working hours and the time zone. Next, we have the services. We have if you sell consulting, digital marketing workshop, master, the launch, something like this. Click on next. Here we have staffs if you have workers. So let the client know who's they're working with. So this is like a marketing consultant business. You can offer visual sessions, add your Google Calendar, accept online payments, sell automation, and manage on the go with Wix. You can use Wix app to track and manage your account wherever you were. So now we have completed the the two first steps. Now we have to add the service because we skipped a part here. You can add appointments, class, course, and something like this. Let's just add something new. This one. And add it to our marketing business. I'm missing some informations. Plan, no, I mean, you can choose the pricing. You can set varied price. You can set preferences and then click save. Save anyway. And by going back home, we already completed 4 steps now. You can upgrade to get the second step done, and its second step is to connect it to a domain. You should upgrade it to connect it like something like madara.com or .net or .xyz, something like this. So the principal step is designing your website, and that's why you are here. So how would you like to design your website? The first way is to let Wix do the job. The second way is to do the job by yourself. If you have an experience with design or you know a designer, you can count on him for creating the website for you, or you can just count on Wix. For now, it's free. You just have to give him the informations like the logo, the name, the email, the address, the phone, and the social accounts. Click on next. Here we have pick a theme you like: the minimal, the thread, the basil, the get black, the wild rose, and the lush. I have tried many of them, but I think I never tried the lush. So let's get with this. Okay, I think it's worth it. Okay, let's choose one of them. I will choose the first one. Next. We have about some informations about you, some projects you do, work in the news or press, how they will contact you. We have the team, the workers, and we have frequently asked questions, FAQ. By clicking on next, you are counting now on Wix.com to create a designed and ready homepage for you to help you start your business. Congratulations, your site is up and running. So go to editor and edit something like the prices, some information about you. You can also write blogs, add forums from here, from here you can add apps, Wix Marketplace here, where you can add several apps like booking, events, restaurant orders, and others. When you are done, click on publish. Your website will be something like this. By clicking on view site, you can view your website and it will look like this with the link similar to this if you have the free plan. And by going to the dashboard here, you can link it to a custom domain by paying. So the last step is to get found on Google. It's not hard, you just have to fill some informations, create a site to use SEO tools, start now. We already created the site here. Now you click on start now. You will answer some questions and add some informations. Oh, I think we went back to the editor. I misclicked something. So we already have the website, a design, start building. Here we have the editor. You can edit or something like this. Let's go to the dashboard here, home. Here, let's get found on Google. We have the SEO tools. So get started. What's your business name or brand name? Something like this. I'm just using Madar as an example. How do you serve your customers physically or online? Next, which keywords you want us to have? So we have a marketing business, right? We have markets. Let's say that's enough, and you should add some phrases to be specific with your website. Now, after setting the homepage title and adding those informations, customize it to a domain. This is the only steps that you have to upgrade to get to the domain, and that's how your website will be ready and published. Right, like here we see my website is already published. You can contact, we have here the email. You can book now. Sorry, the service is not available. You know why? Because you didn't link and you didn't put a link, or you didn't save your payment methods or something like this. So people can't book. So make sure you are good with the editing of your website. So don't forget to put the prices, the pictures, your services, and direction link. I think that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.